Okay, well, let's go over some basic steganography here using a hex editor. Yes, a hex editor. Okay, now I've got this image right here on my desktop. Okay, it's on Title 1. When it opens up, it says, "Hey, how are you doing?" That's the message. Okay, now what we're going to do is hide it so that nobody can see it unless they know how to decrypt it. Now we're going to take this hex editor here. Let's pull it into view. Okay, now I've already done it for you, and I've already taken this picture and tossed it in here. Okay, and it'll open up, it'll look like this. This is the hex, not important right now. This is the plain text right here. What it is important are these three letters, BM8S. Could be different, doesn't matter. Most of the time, always a B and an M first. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this B, we're going to get over here and we're going to overwrite the string. We're going to make it a D. Okay, now it should say DM8S. When you take that, let's just save as, and we'll save it as test2.bmp. Okay, make sure you save it as all types. The stars are in all types. And that saves, shows up on my desktop right over here. Okay, let's just minimize that for now. Now, if you open up test2, you'll get a message like this, or some other type of message. I'm using Vista, so. Now, what we want is we want this back. Now, how do we get that back? Well, that's simple. When you send this test2 file right here to someone, all they'll need is a hex editor. They'll take test2, throw it in here, and then look, the DM8S is still here. This is the hex, the plain text. All they need to do is go in, overwrite a string, back to B, and then take it, save as, and let's say test2 decrypt.bmp, save it. Okay, now it's way over here on my desktop. Minimize that. As you can see, you can read it again. It works online also, so if you post the image on a website, you won't be able to see it. It's pretty nifty, and it pretty much hides any kind of picture that you don't want anyone to see, namely pornography.